Hey you, yeah you. Put your glasses on, fool.
Don't forget your glasses, guys.
Oh my god, it cut me. Junior, help me stop the bleeding.
Sorry, Mr. Rice said I can't help you, but I'll go get him. Have fun.
Never leave powered. Machines unattended.
Based on a true story.